That's a great question. You know, one of the things that the natural hair movement has unleashed is the ability for you to be able to color your hair, because you're now not chemically relaxed. So those of you who have, or who were, chemically relaxed with those traditional relaxers, sodium hydroxide relaxers that we use to straighten and or texturize hair, because you're not using those processes anymore, it allows for color. And so remember, those relaxers prevented a lot of really beautiful color from happening to women who really deserved beauty in a way that was like colorful. And so also there's a lot of demystifying, debunking myth on hair color, because there's a lot of misconceptions surrounding hair color and bleach, for instance. Will it damage my hair? Permanent hair color, will it damage my hair? I hear it damages my hair. We hear everything at the Hair Rule Salon for women who are learning to live with their new natural texture. And some of those things, just, you know, we do as much as we can to kind of dispel those myths. And well, some of it is, you know, applies to, if you were relaxed for 30-something years, you can never use permanent hair color because it will break off your hair. Bleach is a disaster for chemically relaxed hair. It just never worked. But when you're not natural and you've mastered how to keep your beautiful tresses moisturized and healthy, color is a great option. Let me explain something to you. Every single color line has a rinse, a vegetable rinse, a semi-permanent, a demi-permanent, and a bleach. And each one of those has say a very small percentage of ammonia and or activator that helps to make your colors stay depending upon your hair texture and or color needs, or the percentage of gray that you have. And so the colorist, I say always go to a colorist, not a hairstylist who does color on the side. Go to a hair colorist who understands why a color line is broken up into that landscape of color options, because there's a reason why somebody who's natural and or virgin would use a permanent, and or somebody who wants to do something lighter, or a combination of all of it, or the percentage of gray is higher, so you have to go higher, and you couldn't use a rinse. It would just wash out. So anyways, to say all that, there is not one better hair color. It's best to stay away from henna, because henna just prevents real beautiful hair color from being able to happen, because it coats your hair and it dries it out. It's natural, but natural does not always mean better or good. It doesn't also mean that if it's unnatural, that it's the worst thing for your hair. There's a reason why color lines exist and professionals who only do color. So we have an amazing color director here, Jackie, and Leanna, and they are well versed in all textures and all things color. So your best bet is to go with a colorist. Hope that helps.